some of you will know what this is, some of you won't. If you're over a certain age, you'll know exactly what this is. It's a grapefruit knife. And this was my late mother-in-law's, but I still use it. And we use it for cutting and segmenting grapefruit to have. I'm going to show you what I like to do with it. Aside from cutting it in half, segmenting and putting sugar on the top, you can pop it under the grill until it starts caramelizing, and then you sprinkle with sugar and enjoy warm. It's delightful. So if you're a health nut and you like sugar, tune out now because it's going to get bad. So I'll just show you what I do. You segment it. It's a really sharp little blade. If you can find one in a second-hand shop, well, I'm sure you can still probably buy them, but this is a really old one. That's lovely. I mean, you can always peel them like an orange and segment them, but this is lovely because it cuts to the shape of the fruit. So I'll show you what it turns out like in just a moment. Oh, yummy. Now that's just started to caramelize. It's very hot. So now just sprinkle some icing sugar on it. And be careful, let it cool down a wee bit more before eating. Because it's like molten lava at the moment. But oh my goodness. And this is a treat. This is not an everyday food by any means. Let's try this grapefruit. It's still warm and I've let it cool down a little bit. Oh. Warm citrus. Oh. Honestly, give it a try. It's delightful. And again, it's not an everyday food. Delicious. Please try this. You won't be sorry.